Welcome everyone! Today I'm going to be talking about cellular respiration. Plants are producers. They make their own food, but animals are consumers. They eat other organisms as a source of energy. Yet, the food they eat is not the basic source of energy. They break down the molecules from food to produce ATP, releasing chemical energy from sugars or other carbon-based molecules to make ATP when oxygen is present. This process is called cellular respiration. Cellular respiration is aerobic, which means it needs oxygen to take place. Overall, cellular respiration takes place in the mitochondria, or the powerhouse of the cell, because mitochondria makes most of the cell's ATP. Mitochondria does not break down the food we eat or animals eat. So there must be a process that takes place before it. This process is called glycolysis. Glycolysis splits glucose into 2,3 carbon molecules plus 2 molecules of ATP. Glycolysis is anaerobic, which means it does not need oxygen to take place. Glycolysis is necessary for cellular respiration to occur. The product of glycolysis, 2,3 carbon molecules, also called as pyruvate, is the reactant of cellular respiration. Cellular respiration is a mirror of photosynthesis. The product of photosynthesis is the reactant of cellular respiration, and the reactant of photosynthesis is the product of cellular respiration. Cellular respiration has two main stages: Krebs cycle and electron transport. Krebs cycle. Why is it named as Krebs cycle? Krebs cycle. Krebs is the name of its inventor, Sir Hans Krebs, and cycle because it keeps going on and on just forever. The Krebs cycle occurs in the matrix, the area enclosed by inner membrane. The reactant of the Krebs cycle is the 2,3 carbon molecules that were broken down in the glycolysis process. The 2,3 carbon molecules entered the mitochondria into the matrix. These 2 carbon molecules are broken down in a cycle of chemical reactions. 2 ATP molecules are produced plus carbon dioxide, CO2. Then the energy is transferred in the second stage, which is electron transport, which occurs also in the mitochondria in the inner membrane.
So today we're going to talk about electron transport. And electron transport made protons needs carrying from Krebs cycles and oxygen to make ATP. This part is found in and across the inner mitochondria membrane. So in the first stage, energy is transformed in a chain of protons of the inner molecules of the mitochondrion. In the second stage, a large molecules of ATP is made, and oxygen, which is 6 CO2, enter the process and is used to make water molecules, which is 6H2O. Water and heat are given off as a waste product.
Last but not least, the final equation of cellular respiration is C6H12O6 plus 6O2. That will give us 6CO2 plus 6H2O. C6H12O6 is the sugar or carbon-based molecules that are broken down in the glycolysis process. 6O2 are 6 molecules of oxygen. 6 CO2 are 6 molecules of carbon dioxide. 6 H2O are 6 molecules of water. Thank you.